Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence. I'm also the host of the Human Kaizen podcast, available wherever you happen to listen to your podcasts. December 11th. The greatest good you can do for another is not just to share your riches, but to reveal to him his own. Benjamin Disraeli. The IKEA effect is a well-known psychological bias where if someone builds something themselves, they value it more than others would. Entrepreneurs fall prey to this regularly. Also, if you struggle with something, it becomes more memorable, more highly retained. That which is earned is better than that which is bought. So imagine if you showed someone their potential and worked with them through the struggle to understand and unlock that potential. How much more powerful would they be? Now, do it for yourself. I'm Joe Templin, the Human Kaizen expert. Be excellent and grow today.